वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द ब्रेनी किड्स। आज के दिन हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 6 मैथ्स वर्कशीट 1 चैप्टर नंबर 1 नेचुरल एंड होल नंबर्स। Let's get started quickly. Before starting the video, please subscribe if you are new to the channel. Press that like button if you like the video and share it to your friends. Worksheet 1. Question 1. Write the Roman numerals for each of the following. What we have to do? We have to write Roman numerals of Hindu-Arabic system numbers. A. 33. What to do? We just cut in between the right side of the line. We just do it 0 and the number we will save. Now when we will put 0 here, so what will come here? It will be 30. Now what is 30 in Roman numerals? It is XXX. And that the save 3, what you have to do is you have to put here. And what is 3? 3 is I. When you join them like this, what you will get? XXX I. B. 500 is equal to D. C. 48. Now what to do? Again do the cut trick, right, like this, and take the right side of the number in your pocket and replace it with 0. Now when you will replace, what it will become? It will become 40. 40 is equal to XL, and which you have put in your pocket number, you have to release here, and that number is 8. 8 is equal to VII. When you connect them, here will be XLVIII, just like this. It's done. This is our D1. 76. Again do the cut trick like this, and the right side of the number you will take in your pocket, replace it with 0, and what it will become? It will become 70. Now what is 70? 70 is LXX, and your pocket number is 6. Release here, and what is 6? 6 is VI. When you will join first this and second this number, what will become? LXXVII. Even 95 is equal to 90. When you will do this cut trick, your number will become 90, and the number right side it's 5. So what is 90? 90 is XC, and what is 5? 5 is V. When you join first this number and second this number, your answer will be XCV. F41. Now what you will do? Cut in half. Right side will be exchanged with 0. What will be become? 40 is equal to XL, and your number right side which you have put in your pocket, it will release here, is equal to 1. Your answer will be, by joining this first and this second, your answer will be XLI. Now let's see G1. Again you will cut in half, remove your right number, and 0 is equal to 18 is equal to LXXX, and your right number which is 7, was replaced by 0, you will put here, is equal to VII. When you join these two numbers, what will become? LXXX VII. Now let us move on to the H1, which is our 66. Now what is 66? First you will cut in half. The right number will be 0. It's equal to LX, and which your number has replaced with 0 will be put here, and you will write VI, and this will become LXVI. This is your copy work. In exam you have to do in the mind. You have to only write this number, not this one. You have to practice. You have to think in your mind. This is our I1, 19. Now again you will cut in half. You will put right 0, and after that it will become 10 is equal to x. What you write 10 in Roman numbers, you will write x. And what you write 9, you write ix. And when you combine these two numbers, what will become xix? This is our J1. 1000 is equal to m. Question 2. Convert the following into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here is given some Roman numerals. What you have to do? You have to convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. A1. XXVI. Now, what is XX? XX is 20. What is VI? VI is 6. When you will add them, your answer will be 26. B1. LXXVII. What is LXX? LXX is 70. And what is VII? VII is 7. You will add them, your answer will be 77. C1. LCI. Now what is XC? XC is 90. And what is I? I is 1. When you will add them, your answer will be 91. D1. LXXXV is equal to LXXX is equal to 80 and V is equal to 5. When you will add them, your answer will be 85. E1 D is equal to 1000. F1 XCIC. What is XC? XC is 90 and what is IC? IC is 9. When you will add them, your answer will be 99. G1 XCVII. What is XC? XC is 90 and what is VII? VII is 7. When you will add them, your answer will be 97. This is our I1 XLI. What is XL? XL is 40 and I is equal to 1. When you will add them, your answer will be 41. J1 XXIX is equal to XX is equal to 20 and IX is equal to 9. When you will add them, your answer will be 29. Question 3. Solve and write the result in Roman numerals. What you have to do? You have to first solve and write the result in Roman numerals. So what is 32 plus 67? We all know 32 plus 67 is 99 is equal to, again we have to do the half trick. 90 is equal to XC and 9 is equal to IX. When you will join them, these two numbers, your answer will be XCIC. This is our B1. 216 subtracted by 174. Now, we all know 216 subtracted by 174 is 42. Now again we will do the cut trick and 40 is equal to XL, 2 is equal to II. When you will join them, your answer will be XLII. C1. 12 multiplied by 7. We all know 12 multiplied by 7 is 84. Again we will do the cut trick. After the cut trick, our number is separated in two numbers, 80 and 4. 80 is equal to LXXX and 4 is equal to IV. When you will join them, your answer will be LXXX IV. D1. 3645 divided by 45. We all know when we will divide this, our answer will be 81. Now, when we will do the cut trick, our two numbers will be separated, 80 and 1. 80 is equal to LXXX and 1 is equal to I. When you will join them, your answer will be LXXX and I. Now let's move on to question 4. Which of the following is meaningless? We have to tell which of the Roman numbers are meaningless. A. VVII. Meaningless. Why? Why VVII is meaningless? Because V, L and D are never repeated. B1. XLI. Meaningful. C1. LIV is equal to meaningful. IC. Meaningless. Why IC is meaningless? Because it can be already written as XCIX. E. LIL. Meaningless. Why LIL is meaningless? Because VL and D are never repeated. F. IVC meaningless. Why IVC is meaningless? Because VL and D are never subtracted. Now let's move on to G1. XCI. XCI. What is XCI? Meaningful or meaningless? It's meaningful. H1. VL is equal to meaningless. Why VL is meaningless? Because again VL and D are never subtracted. Question 5. Match the following. Okay. First one. DXLV. Where the arrow goes? Arrow goes on 545. Means DXLV is 545. Second. MMX. Where does the arrow goes? Arrow goes on 2010. 3. CMVII. Where does the arrow go? Arrow go on 908. Means CMVII is 908. 4. CCIII. Where does the again arrow goes on? 203. So means CCIII is 203. Question 6. Write the following in Roman numerals. What you have to do? First you have to give the answer and then you have to write in Roman numerals. A1. Year in which India got independence. In which year India got independence? India got independence in 1947, which is written in Roman number as MCMXLVII. B. Year in which India became republic is equal to 1950. India got republic in 1950, which will written in Roman number as MCML.